Hello everyone, welcome to Now with Mom. Nowadays, children love fast foods and packet snacks. They want to eat them all through their meals, either it be breakfast, lunch, or dinner. So, being parent, it's our responsibility that we should introduce them with something healthy, nutritious, and yet so tasty. So here I am with one interesting recipe which my baby likes too much. You might have heard about the avocado pancakes, but they are all sweets. Today I am going to show the recipe of avocado chilla. If you find the recipe interesting, please like the video, share it with your friends and comment down below how do you think the recipe was.